Hey girls, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, I post beauty videos, beauty like B-E-A-U-T-Y. So you figured your face is missing something, like you've applied your foundation, your lipstick, you've done your eye area, and you figured, okay, this is not how you want it to look. Or you have this event and you need to seriously learn how to contour and highlight because maybe you want to stand out, or maybe you just want to try out something different. Or you're a makeup artist and you need to up your contour and highlighting game, or you just want to see my face. Whichever one it is, trust me girl, I've got you covered. So you have come to the right place. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Firstly, I would like to apologize for the length of this video. I figured to do a detailed video, it might increase the length. So come on guys, please forgive me and try to follow through this process to get the best value out of it. I have already applied my foundation, eyeshadow and lipstick. I'll be applying a lighter shade of concealer on the areas I would like to highlight. This is usually my cheekbone, my cupid's bow right above my lip, the center of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my upper jaw area. Guys, as you can see, you have to line this from the center of your ear to the side of your lips, just like I am doing presently. I'm just gonna add more concealer for a more highlighted effect. I would also highlight the areas around my lip because, as you can see, I have dark lip area, and this would also allow me have that long face effect, especially for those who have round face like me. So now it's time for blending. Like seriously guys, this is the most important part of this contour and highlight process. Like, you have to be very patient with blending. This is because sometimes you might get frustrated that it's not blending the way you want it to. So guys, that's why I said you really have to be very patient with blending. So now we've blended the concealer into our skin. You want to make sure to line your eye area to have that proper winged eyeliner effect, especially if you didn't apply a winged eyeliner. So the next thing we want to do is to contour our face. I'm using the chestnut shade of my Perfect Color concealer to contour my cheek, my forehead area, and my jaw area. For contouring your nose, use a lighter shade than the one you use to contour your cheek, okay? Then I'm just gonna start blending the darker shade into my skin for a contoured effect. So when contouring your nose, use a different neutral sponge or use a different part of the blending sponge so that the darker shade on the sponge doesn't rub off on the nose, thereby making it appear darker. In the meantime, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this video. So just keep blending, guys. Blending is the key to a well highlighted and contoured facial makeover. So to set my face, I'll be using the Kiss Beauty setting powder to set the areas that I have just highlighted. So to set your nose, please use a smaller brush to achieve a detailed application. So we're going to wait for our setting powder to set our face properly. Whilst we're doing that, I would correct my lipstick. So once that is done, I'm going to use a brush to take off the setting powder off my face. This will also allow me blend the powder into my skin. As you can see, there's more like a demarcation between my chin and my upper jaw area. Like keep on blending, like blend till something happens. As you can see, guys, I'm already having like that longer face effect. So guys, yes, we did it. So don't forget, I highlighted from the center of my ear to the side of my mouth and contoured the sides of my chin. As you can see, there's more like a demarcation, but it's very light. Now I'm going to use a face definer to define the highlighted areas of my face. Then I will apply the darker shade on the areas I would like to contour. Okay, so if you've watched to this extent, it's a sign that you are a potential subscriber. So please subscribe, like, and share this video, and also let me know what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. So guys, like I said earlier, facial highlight and contour requires loads and loads of blending. At first, there might be no significant difference, but trust me guys, your efforts will definitely pay off. Come on guys, I know you can do this. Don't give up, just keep blending. So to finish off my contour, I'll be applying a bronzing powder on the contoured areas and also use lightly on my highlighted area, just to dim my face a bit and to blend the contour and highlight together to have that single but partitioned look. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comment section. To make this clear, this bronzing powder is just like a powder but with little sandy glitter. I will also apply the bronzing powder underneath my jaw to shadow that area. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Profusion palette blusher to add a natural glow to my face. Be sure to apply the blusher at the upper area of the cheek, not the lower area. I'll be using the highlighter to bring light to the high points of my face. This creates dimension, so when I move my face around, I get that 3D effect. This is a super flattering way to give your skin a glow while subtly changing the shape of your face. Then I would use the Profusion shimmer cream to give a lasting and enhanced effect on my nose and other areas, but this time I'll be applying with my hands. I'll also be highlighting my lower brow area. So don't forget guys, like I said, this is an optional stage. You don't have to apply the highlighting cream, but for me, I wanted a more dramatic look, hence I applied this. I usually like to apply the shimmer cream in a V shape around my neck to create that 3D shimmer glow when I turn. Trust me guys, this works, but it's not an everyday thing for me. But if you love extra drama when you step out, you definitely want to do this on your neck. Thank me later. What are friends for? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share. The link to the products are in the description box. Click on the notification button so you can be notified when next I post something. You are the real deal. I really appreciate your time. I love you all. Keep being pretty, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.